How to remove profile picture on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove profile pictures on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove your profile picture on YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Now we are not talking about changing it, but let's say that you just want to go ahead and then remove it. For that, you can come to your profile icon from the bottom right, and if you look at my current profile, you should be able to see that I actually have a profile picture. So now you can just tap the view channel. Now again, it depends upon whether you're talking about your Google account or your YouTube profile picture. Since we're talking about YouTube profile picture, just make sure to tap on it once, and here you can see my current profile picture. So to edit it, you can tap the edit icon that you can find here. You'll come to the channel settings editing page, where you can just tap on that current one. And then from here, all you have to do is just make sure to delete that profile picture, or you can just set a dummy profile picture which you no longer use, and once done, your profile picture will get successfully removed. This way you can remove profile picture on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.